Give ear to my words, oh Lord, read my heart. In my meditation, listen to the voice of my cry, my King and my God. For to you I will pray, my voice you shall hear in the morning, oh Lord, in the morning. I will look up, I will order my prayer to you. Lead me, oh Lord, make your way straight before my face. I will look up. You are not a God who loves the sin. You are not a God who lets evil in. But I will come into your house in the multitude of your mercy. Let all those rejoice who trust in you. Let them shout for joy because you defend them. For you, Lord, will bless the righteous with favor. You surround him like a shield.